Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase digital marketing strategy with Buffer, complete guide step by step clearly. Today, we're diving into how to increase your digital marketing strategy with Buffer. First, create your Buffer account if you haven't already done so. Visit the Buffer website and select the Get Started for Free option. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once logged in, connect your social media accounts to Buffer. You can link platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Next, familiarize yourself with the Buffer dashboard. Here, you will find options for scheduling posts, analyzing performance, and engaging with your audience. Start by using the scheduling feature. Click on Content at the top of the page to begin scheduling your posts. Select the social media account you want to post to. Compose your post in the text box provided. You can also add images, videos, or links to enhance your content. After composing, decide when you want to publish the post. You can choose to publish immediately or set a specific time and date. Now, let's move to Buffer's Analytics feature. Click on Analytics in the dashboard to track engagement metrics. This will provide insights into how your content is performing across different platforms. Use these insights to refine your content strategy. If a particular post garners high engagement, consider adjusting your future content accordingly. Next, leverage the Content Suggestions feature. Navigate to the Content tab and explore relevant articles suggested by Buffer. Sharing this content can keep your feed active and engaging. Create a content calendar to maintain consistency in your posting. Map out a plan for the week or month ahead using Buffer's scheduling tools. Engagement is key in digital marketing. Make sure to interact with your audience by replying to comments and messages. Utilize Buffer's engagement tools to streamline this process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.